G'day everyone, Matty P here with another perspective, and this is just a quick follow-up video to my last video on post-workout supplementation around specifically whey protein and amino acids in terms of consuming them after a workout. Now, I just wanted to clarify one other thing, and that is what you'll hear from the supplement industry as well. This myth, and it is a myth, about your body. I guess it should say it's information that's provided out of context, I should say. And that is about this idea that your body can only process 30 grams of protein at any one time. Now, what you need to remember is, so they'll try and tell you, try and infer, certainly heard this inferred by people within the supplement industry, and I'm sure a lot of you have too, that you've eaten this big chunk of chicken. Oh, well, your body can only use so much fat and the rest will be wasted. What they don't tell you about this is the more of that kind of thing you've eaten, the longer it takes to be broken down. Your body will absorb it. It's not going to go, well, I've got 30 grams or I've only got this much, I don't anymore, I'll just, I'll shit the rest out or whatever. No, it doesn't work like that. Your body will take longer to break it down because there's more of it to break down, and it will utilise it all eventually. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Quite frankly, the best way to waste protein consumption is with a whey protein shake, because it is protein that is absorbed very quickly in their bloodstream. If you have 5 protein shakes, say 30 grams each, that's 150 grams of protein, yeah, your body's not going to absorb it all because it all pretty much hits your bloodstream at the one time. So it's another good reason to try. There's nothing wrong with protein shakes. They're a great way of getting some protein in if you're having problem getting it in from other foods, or just if you're on the go a lot and you don't have as much time as what you might otherwise need to eat a prepared meal. So don't get me wrong, they have their place. But if you can, and this is certainly what I do, and other guys I know, actually ran into a mate of mine today at the gym that I know from Nutrition Misc, who has a very similar philosophy on nutrition to myself, and has gone through all of the same education process, and he's pretty much the same. Whenever he can, tries to avoid whey protein and tries to eat proper, a proper meal, animal protein or something else. It generally will mean that you have, like I mentioned in the last video, a steady supply of amino acids being released in your bloodstream over an extended period of time. That's more than sufficient for, say, if you go and train. Technically speaking, if, say today, you ate, like I mentioned in the last video, chicken and rice, and then a couple of hours later you went and worked out, you're going to have a steady supply of amino acids already in your bloodstream. Effectively, you're giving yourself intra, as in during the workout, and post-workout nutrition, just by virtue of what your body's breaking down from the last meal. So keep that in mind. Like I say, these things have their place. Forget about amino acids, they're a waste of money, you don't need them. Jason Blaha has actually made a great video on this, and I won't get into it too much now, but I will actually do another video on that specifically and refer to that. So hope it's been of help, guys. Always keen for your feedback. Talk to you soon.